This is the cutout video we are going to create in PowerPoint. Hello and welcome. I am Partha Bhattacharya, a designer at Bitbazar. PowerPoint is a great tool for creating cutouts, and cutouts are useful to create beautiful animated ads. So let's see how this cutout video is created. First, let me bring in the text box and then type the word mesmerizing. Pressing Ctrl plus E centers the text inside the text box. And now let me change the font to Anton. It's the ideal font for my work here. Let me increase the font size by pressing Ctrl plus Shift and greater than keys. If you press Ctrl plus Shift and less than keys, the font size will reduce. Let me have a light color for the font border, while the font color will be white. You can of course select any colors. Next, I'll transform the text shape. So from text effects, I'll go to transform and then to the options under warp. Let me choose curve up for my design. See how the text shape changes accordingly? Let me do some small adjustments. And now I'll draw a rectangle over the work area. It's required in order to create the cutout. The rectangle will have no border, and I'll send it backward so that the text shape comes on top of it. It's now time to create the cutout. PowerPoint is excellent for this. And so to do this, I'll first select the rectangle, and then keeping the Ctrl or Shift key pressed, I'll select the text box. Now from the Shape Format menu at the top, I'll proceed to Merge Shapes. And from this drop-down, let me select Subtract. Okay, the cutout is now created. But there is no visible change, you see. If I now change the shape color to white, everything becomes invisible. But wait, the magic will happen now. Let me go over to Insert, then Stock Images. And here I will select Videos. PowerPoint gives a good number of stock videos. I will be selecting one of these. Let me go for this video. As I click Insert, the video appears on my work area. Let me right-click on the video and then send it back. Wow, you can now see the text cutout embossed on the video. The text shape that now comes on top can be adjusted, increasing the size. I want the shape to occupy as much space as feasible. The video plays all right, just checking this. And now for the next step, let me change the color of the shape to black. See how dramatic the cutout video now looks? Let me do some more adjustments to the size of the overlaying cutout shape. Finally, we are ready to watch the video. Clicking this icon will fetch the video. It looks nice. Well, cutouts can inspire creativity and ideas for designing nice-looking animated ads, which is what my main goal is at Bitbazar. Do check out the description below for ads templates bundles and for memberships to my template store for unlimited downloads. For now, that's all I have for you. See you soon. Thanks for your time.